Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today on Customer States What? Customer states check engine light is on. Please check and advise. Well, say no more, fam. We got you. We confirmed the check engine light was on, and actually, it's not an engine issue that's causing it. It's a transmission issue that's causing it. So, we'll put the key on. So, guys, I'm going to show you how to recognize a PRNDL switch that's starting to bind. Now, you see that we have park. We could see it's lit up. We could see in the cluster, it says park right there, right? It's kind of hard to shift out of park. It's going to be hard to go down into other gears, but we could see reverse. We could see reverse in the cluster. Neutral. Still pretty hard to move, but we got neutral in the cluster. Now drive. If we put the vehicle into drive normally, look at that. Drive did not light up. There's no drive in the cluster. Now let's go back into park. It all lit up. It says park in the cluster. Now we're going to put the vehicle into gear firmly. Look at that. The D lit up. Giggity. So, and it's in the cluster as well. Now, you can't feel this watching it, but this shifter moves. You could feel the resistance. You're not going to feel the resistance here, but you're going to feel the resistance mainly between reverse, neutral, and especially going into drive. So what we do is we recommend to remove and replace the neutral safety switch. No, excuse me, not the neutral safety switch. Excuse me. The PRNDL switch. And that's attached to the transmission. Now, let's take the vehicle up top, and I'll show you what's involved. Now that we have taken the vehicle up top, we can see the transmission cooler right here. And you move these lines, and that rusty nut right there, that's a part of the PRNDL switch, and you can see that green sticker right there. That's the PRNDL switch. So we're going to have to remove this bracket here. We're going to have to remove some other hardware up here just so we could maneuver these lines out of the way, just enough to where we can get that switch out. Very good, ladies and gentlemen, and that's how you recognize a PRNDL switch that is starting to bind. If you don't know what to do yet, please like, subscribe, hit that bell notification for further content.